My name is Carolyn Murdoch, and I'm so happy to introduce you to a brand new program at John Abbott College, Scenographic Arts and Technologies. The Scenographic Arts and Technologies program works closely with the Professional Theatre Acting program to bring shows to life. In this program, there are two profiles. The first profile is production design and creation, where students will learn everything costume, props, and set related to work in live production. From dreaming the idea to building it into reality, this profile is hands-on, team-based, and very creative. Students learn costume making, props fabrication, scenery construction, scene painting, and the management of budgets, resources, and crew in order to make those designs a reality.
Throughout my high school experience, I found a passion for theater, and joining this program was the perfect opportunity for me to explore my passion for theater while getting also my CJEP diploma. I found a passion for a multitude of different subjects that I never even knew existed, like sewing, drafting, carpentry. We offer multiple services that are great and are awesome, so I highly recommend the program to anyone who wants to come and try it out.
Hi, my name is Karen, and coming from a high school experience that didn't have that much theater, when I found this program, it was truly an amazing way for me as a designer to finally bring my skills to life. With our teachers and our faculty, we have the opportunities to create and to explore ourselves as designers and truly see our visions come to life on a stage. So I cannot wait to see what my future holds after finishing this program.
Profile is technical design and management. Students learn both the technical and creative aspects in lighting, sound, and video, from content creation to systems design. In the management component, students learn skills revolving around stage management, technical direction, and production management. Everything necessary in the organization of a production, and how to bring the technical, creative, and performance elements together.
Hi, I'm Lexi. I'm a third-year student and the stage manager on this project. I came into this program hoping to learn more about stage management and learning about lighting, sound, video, projection, set construction. All that jazz has really helped me have a better understanding and hopefully help me in my future career as a stage manager.
My name is Corey. I'm a third-year student, and for this project I am the lighting designer. So I get to do a lot of work with concepts, reading the source material, creating my concept for the show, and also maintenance on the fixtures to make sure that they're all up and running for this project. So it's a really well-rounded experience getting to do a mix of the theoretical and the practical.
The Scenographic Arts and Technologies program is excellent for students to learn how to work together in teams while bringing full-scale productions to life. Students will learn to lead, to problem solve creatively, and to collaborate, working on common goals. This program is for creative thinkers, where students thrive in an environment of like-minded people. Though there is a separate program for acting at John Abbott College, we work very closely with them to bring the shows to life. The program begins with a common first year, where students are given a base in behind-the-scenes practices, design theory, technical drawing, and health and safety, as well as live arts performance structures. In second year, the students continue their hands-on work and specialize in one of the two profiles, either production design and creation for costumes, props, and scenery, or technical design and management for lighting, sound, video, and stage management.
Hi, I am Laura Spinard and I am a third year in the John Abbott program. I am currently head of video for our production right now. I joined theater for a lot of reasons. I joined theater because I didn't want to do what everybody else does and I wanted to work with my hands and I wanted to work outside the norm. And presently I've learned so much in the last 2.5, 3 years, and it's really mostly taught me I can go anywhere I want. Theater is one of the best general education, just life courses you can take. You learn so much from places you never thought you would learn. I can sew and work with wood now. I can do basically anything I want, and the teachers really give you everything you need. And it's just, in the future with this after learning how to put together videos and create projections, which I never thought I would ever do, I can do now. And so I really hope to go wherever life takes me, and I really hope to do as much as I can and work with people as much as I can. And I really think this is the best program.
We have health and safety training to ensure our students are using the shops safely, and career management to help them figure out their path after graduation. There are a dozen different fields for students to choose from within our program: theater, film, television, live events, and cirque. We will support them through their individual interests and pursuits. As part of our new program launch, the government has given us funds to modernize our equipment and installations. We are also undergoing a substantial renovation of the Casgrain Theatre to be completed by the fall of 2022 to make sure that the Scenographic Arts and Technology students get a hands-on program with state-of-the-art equipment in a state-of-the-art facility. We can't wait to share our new program and our renovated facilities with the incoming fall cohort, to watch them develop and create, to watch them learn and grow as artists and as people, to graduate empowered to continue their journey on their own terms.
I tell everybody about our program, and it's a magic place. It's a magical place to be, you know?